Here I've got Motorola One Zoom, and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. So at first, just open some display that you would like to capture. For example, if you would like to show someone what your current battery level is, just tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on screenshot. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been taken. Just tap on save to have it in your gallery. And we will open it later, but at first let me show you the second combination of keys that will allow you to grab a screen. But at first let's open, for example, the wallpapers. And if you would like to show someone the wallpapers that you have on your device, for example some of the earth, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And now the screen has been captured. Just click on save. But also your device allows you to grab a scrollable screenshot, so let me open some other album, tap on power key and volume down key, or use just power key to grab a screen, click on this icon, and now the white screenshot will be taken. You can stop it whenever you want to. So let me stop it, for example, now by tapping on stop, and just give it a couple of seconds to process. And then tap on save. So that's it. We've just took 3 screenshots in 2 ways, but the third one was made as a white screenshot, so you have to open the gallery. It's right here. And now under screenshots, you will find those that you've taken. So this is the white one. As you can see, you can zoom it in if you want to. Then it's the second one. And the first one taken with the first key combination. So this is it. Then obviously you can share your screenshot, you can delete them, edit them, or do whatever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.